This 2-minute tutorial looks at a navigation feature in Leap, the Workform tracker. Pages in Leap are called workforms. Workforms always include headers that identify what type of page you are looking at. If you do not select Close on a page, the workform will remain open in the background. Any new workforms you interact with will open on top of the previous workform. While there isn't a known limit as to how many workforms you can have open at the same time, an open workform will be locked for editing by other users. This means that if I am looking at a record, tech services staff will not be able to update the control fields of an item, for example. However, if a workform is locked, staff will still be able to place holds, check out, and check in an item. To view your list of open workforms, expand the menu icon found in the top left corner. This will open the Workform tracker. The Current tab displays workforms you currently have open, and the Recent tab displays workforms you recently closed. You can navigate to any workform on the list by clicking on it. You can also control how many recent workforms display in Settings under the Workform User Defaults tab. These particular settings are tied to your individual login and will not affect your coworkers' settings. Once you are finished interacting with it, the Workform tracker will hide itself. If you would like to keep the tracker open, click on the pin icon at the top of the tracker. When the pin points down, the Workform tracker is pinned open and the workforms will adjust so the tracker does not block your view of the records. Please note that the pushpin icon may not display if you are using a device with a narrow screen. You can identify the different types of pages listed in the Workform tracker by the icons next to the Workform title. Common record types you may see include a patron record, a silhouette of a person's head and shoulders, an item record, a book icon, a bibliographic record, a page with a folded down corner, the pick list workform, a clipboard icon, or a record set, a shopping bag. To quickly locate a specific page from a long list of open workforms, use the filter box. The list will narrow down as you type the filter terms. Select the X next to the search term to reset the filter and return to the full list of open workforms. Finally, select Close All in the lower right-hand corner of the tracker to close all open workforms at once. This has been a 2-minute tutorial on using the Workform tracker in Leap. If you have any questions, email help@ccslib.org.